My name is Massimo Moraglio. I'm an Italian researcher. I'm finishing now my fellowship at the Carson Center, but actually I'm based after 2010 in Berlin at the Technische Universität. At the Carson Center, I worked on the public transport revival in Europe after 1970s up to 2000, and especially focus on tramway renaissance. Overlaps the topic of urban space, energy use and pollution. Energy can become a big problem because energy costs will impact the ability we have to move and to travel. And these can even hit very deep concern we have about the concept of traveling as a concept of freedom. And not to mention the economic level. We have to reach our working place or whatever to keep alive familiar and friendly ties, and so it's a big issue. The moment energy prices are rising like they are, this will become a problem for the social and economic fabric of our society. Not to mention the use of space. We use a huge amount of space for moving. It's becoming transparent for us, but if you come from Mars, you say, wait a minute, why you use all this space just for move? I think that public transport particularly are failing in shifting away from car ownership. We have some attempts to do that, but actually so far we still have very high use of car mobility. The idea of making transportation more sustainable, it's a very tricky question, because even the most sustainable way of moving, which can be a train, let's say a tram, actually can be even more polluting if it's half empty. Public transport are affecting the social fabric in many ways. The most visible, speaking about trams, is how they reshape the urban landscape, and how they are making a new way of understanding the environment. So trams are used in a way to re-establish an old way of having downtowns free of cars. But still we have a perception of public transport as something for the poor, for the people not able to drive, or for the people who are not enough brave to run a car. In this respect, I would say that the so-called generation way is changing attitude, at least in Europe and in the States. I would say that the future generations are becoming more careful about the practical side of mobility and less about mobility as a status symbol, as it was for previous generations.